In progress.
Hello, 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 everybody. Today, I want you guys to ask some questions so you guys can get on the same page. This is our really our third day trading, or it could be the third day trading on the Millionaire Marathon. Everybody should have their Millionaire Marathon up to date. If you don't have it, I need to resend it to you, and I'll send it right now to everybody. So I want everybody to be on the same page. I want you guys to start using this Millionaire Marathon. It's really life-changing to have a journal of your percentages every day that you do. Even if you're kind of losing for a little bit, it's going to turn around for you. I've been getting a lot of texts from people that have been winning and doing really good, so I'm proud of that. Well, Pablo was saying that he was winning really good lately. So I'm glad. And here we go. Hello, hello, hello. Everybody can hear, right? Yeah. Let's see. I need to start. I wanted to get the right one out to you guys. All right. I thought I made a copy of it. I guess any of these would work. But I thought I had a clean copy. Let's see here. And it just doesn't have the logo on it. So this is the one that we're on. All right, so let's make a copy of this. And I do have that we're gonna have the Forex next on the Telegram. So the Telegram is gonna have a lot of Forex on it now. We're gonna have two different Telegram channels, and everybody that's in right now is gonna be able to get that for the same price. Not gonna be a upgrading price or anything. But anybody new will probably have to pay a little bit extra for that. Let's see. I thought I dropped it in here. If not, I will. All right. 8%. Everybody, please download this and start using this with us, so we're all on the same page. I'm gonna put 1,000 in here. That's what you switch when you start with your starting money. All right, copy of it. Okay, so I'll put it in the chat. Well, I might have sent it already. And here we go on the WhatsApp. So it was that document I was looking at. I didn't know. It's on the WhatsApp and it's on the chat on here. All right. So hopefully everybody has that. And let's get right into it. All right. And it's June 10th already. President Trump's going to speak at 1 p.m. Let's see what he's going to speak about. Due to speak at the 250th anniversary of the United States Army. Wow, that's going to be really cool. So he'll be speaking about some Army stuff. Yeah, that would probably be good news, it seems like. Mm-hmm. True. No, ibuprofen. Oh. And there's really no other news but that. Let's see. I love to look over here too on the news, hottest stories and stuff like that. I think there was some stuff going on last night with the UK. And so the news is not really a big deal on the Forex Factory. Let's look at the metals because I've been really involved in gold. Gold's been up and down. It's been down. The last 6 hours is up $12, almost $13, but it hasn't been at a steady increase. Let's see if there's any news about no real news on that either. Crypto, let's see. Oh, there's some CPI stuff from crypto. That comes up on Wednesday, though. Wednesday is going to be a big thing on CPI for the month and the year. This is going to be big on our trading on Wednesday. It's one of the biggest days of the year because the interest rates are going to come out for the whole year and month. Okay, Ethereum's up 10%. I was telling everybody, hold on to your Ethereum, man. A lot of people want to cash it in and get something else, but Ethereum is one of the big guys. This coin right here could become $100,000 like Bitcoin faster than anything else. So if you have Ethereum, it's a good. I mean, in the last 24 hours, it went up 10%. So, that's a really, really good coin to have. Let's see what else we got here. Everything. Ethereum Classic's even up 8%. So everything right now is going up, 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 and away. We're gonna be having the new Telegram is gonna have Forex and it's gonna have also oil. Here goes the oil right here, these two, but it's gonna be US oil. Same thing. They're gonna have the oil inventories, everything on Wednesday. Wednesday is gonna be a big day. Let's see if we get any Forex trade we want to get into. And just looking at these scanners, looks like USD is losing everywhere. Yeah, USD is getting his butt kicked right now. Wow. Let's see. That's pretty weird. This one might be off. This isn't getting a good reading because USD should be at the bottom. Everything is beating on it. And right here, it says Japan's basically beating up on US. Yeah, something's wrong with that one. Let's look at the other one. And that's why we always have to look at two currency strength meters, because sometimes one of them is wrong. And see, this one's right. Yeah, it's USD at the lowest. So that's why you always got to look at two, because if you just look at one, a lot of people love to look at just one. But I was trading and one of these was closed for like the whole week. It wasn't working right and they didn't update it or anything. There was some kind of maintenance and people were trading. And that's when I said, oh no. So USD is losing. I kind of want to get in a trade for that right now, just based off of this. But I kind of like Euro USD. Look how it's just going straight up. That's in the hour. And this is a way you guys can trade. I mean, pretty soon it's going to be on the Telegram channel, the new one, but right now it is very basic. Tells us to sell right here. The next candle goes down here. We could have got this. Could have even got out over here if you want to, without really losing. But look how on point this one is. Boom, up, up. This thing's going down. That's on the 15 minutes. Let's look at 30 minutes. The higher time frames, the more you're going to win. Here goes up right here, up. Let's see, an hour. It's another good one. Another good sale. Last night I was trading the US 30 and it was good calls. Let's see. Here we go. So on Euro USD, I'm going to take a trade. I'm not going to take that big of a trade. Let me see. Oh, the robot's been killing it. Let's go. Um, Euro USD, we're gonna buy. Oh, it already started going up. Not a big trade. I did low lots. All right, let's look at the market. Let's see if we got any good trades going on with the US 30. And we got this trade in at 530. It's been going up. Let's see, 30 minutes. Hour right here. Some good calls on the US 30. But nothing too recent. Right here, I wish we could have gotten this gold to buy on the 1 hour. It's been going up for 2 hours now. Here goes another gold buy. So Telegram would have called these out. Those are winners. Here goes another one. It wouldn't have lost down here. You would still be in this going up, 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 and away. That was 445. All right, let's look at Nas. We got some buys on the 5 minute on Nas. It was 15 minutes ago. That was another good one. Dang. Anything Johnny come lately, as my dad would say. There's really no immediate signals. All right, well, there's really no news or anything on anything. Wow. Let's look if we could dive deeper into gold. Maybe there'll be some kind of strong buy for the day, but we're looking over here to trade. Looks like gold's a really good thing to buy. There's all the signals to buy gold right now. It's up $17. Let's research this a little more. Oh, looks really good. $340. I want to get gold at 340. I might just get in right now. See how many minutes do we got? We have 2 more minutes. Try to wait for it to fall just a little bit more, but I'm gonna get gold. Even if you get it right now, you should be good. It's already going up. We've been getting a lot of signals from the bot also to buy gold. Wish we could have got in down here. I wasn't ready to pull the trigger. I should have got it when I said right here too. I was right. Close, close, close. Maybe the opening bell might drop it down really quick and then it shoots right back up. Let's see what's going to happen here. We're seconds away. Might not be, a super huge movement on this opening bell. Let's see. It just opened up and it's going up like we thought. I thought it might dip back down maybe to here. Let's see. Here it comes. Yeah, it doesn't really look like it's moving too much. Either way. Down 520 to start that trade. Right, we're in gold, but it's moving and grooving. Hopefully, you guys got in better. You guys will probably already be out. Oh my goodness. I think that trade I just made $40. What? It was at 1,800 and it went back down to $40. Let's see. I wanted to go down a little bit lower so I get in again, but I thought I had that 1,800. But that's how fast that moved back down so quick. That was crazy. Let's see what US 30 is doing. That US 30 went straight up like a rocket. We should have probably been trading this. It's a big candle. It looks like it doesn't even know which way to go. But I would like it to go up almost right around here, almost around this little middle part. It looks like it should be going there. It's already going back up, but it should be able to fall back down maybe over here and let's get it to go up. And this is good because I'm already in this trade to go up from yesterday. So it might be about to close me out on my other account. Jeez, that thing went straight up. Here goes gold coming back down. That's what I thought was going to happen. I looked at gold. I thought it was going to come back down to that little point where I want to buy it even better. All right. I got out of my other gold in my other account that I was in yesterday. Yeah. The bot told me to buy and I bought, and it's magnificent. Magnificent. Couldn't fall asleep last night. Took a trade. It came on the telegram to buy US 30, and look what happened. I just was able to close out. Couldn't go to sleep last night. That was a great, great adventure. Let me see. I want to get in again. And US 30, I want to get in like right around this area. 42. It's at 45. It might not even go back down that far. Ooh, Nas 100 looks like it's good to get right here. Or is this a change? Look at the US 30 way up here. The Nas is going down. Wow, everything's starting to go down now. Wait up. Let's double check. Double verify, everybody. You don't want to be in here and something's tanking. Let's look at the last hour. Nothing even looks concerning on the Dow, but something must be Tesla or something going bad. Nope. Nothing's really going bad. I wonder why. Huh. That's very peculiar. I like US 30 going up. But that Nas went down so fast. That's kind of weird. We just got a buy signal from SPX. I'm going to go ahead and jump in SPX. SPX for a buy. See what happens here. SPX for a buy. We got a buy signal right here. This is the one I just took on the 5 minutes. Got a buy signal. That's why I took that. It's really not doing too much. It's a safer one than not. Man, Nas just went down so quick. Let's see US 30. US 30 is at a good place to get in right now. It's like at the bottom. It's at like this support right here, but is it really trying to go down? Or might it go back up? I think I'm gonna get in the US 30, but I'm not gonna go that high of volume. I really like US 30 down this low right here. It really looks like a good trade to me. It looks like a buy for your money. You know, sometimes you just get a trade like that and you're like, hey, that's good. But I gotta go down lower on the lot sizes because if both of these start going the wrong way, I already have 5% on the SPX, so I can't go down more than 8%. So I had to change my lot sizes on that. So that's why I did that. And let's look further details here. All right, this is US 30. I want that just to just boom and rocket ship up. But SPX look like it's going up, up, up. I kind of want to, there's only 600 that I want on that. That's kind of weird. I'm going to get out of this with that 600. Back down to 450. Wow. If SPX goes back down here, I'm going to get in that. and probably get out of this US 30. It's stalled out. All right. So this is what Eric was wanting to know. Like, what do we do? We need to sometimes read more into stuff. You know, the boss telling us all this stuff together, but sometimes you need to read. Like, this is kind of dumping down. The money flow is down. That's on the 5 minutes. This trade on the technicals looks like it's trying to go down. It has heavy, it's overbought, heavy on the big time frame. On the 1 hour is going up though. That might push it. Let's see. The Nas. And every time I'm getting out, it goes like that's crazy. Every time I get out of a trade, it's doing. Oh, that's hilarious. It's okay though. We're winning all the trades, but it's like when we get out, it's like it moves really quick down or something. So it's something to laugh about, you guys. US 30 looks like it might be going down, so that's why I got out right there. All the technical indicators are saying. I'm glad we just looked because it is going down. So Nas was going down, now it's going up. This is like, wow. SPX, we want some money there. Gold, we knew it was going up. We want to get in down here. It's kind of stalling out right now. Let's see. But this should be going up. Oh, yeah. It's super overbought on the 1 hour, though. That might be a problem. Let's see here. What's Apple doing? We have a sell on Apple. See. We just got a buy on Euro Japan. Let me get into Euro Japan. All right, let's rattle. Let's shake, rattle, and roll with this US 30. We got a buy right here on the 5 minutes on US 30 if we get in down here. And it's starting to go up. The car already took off. Wow, the knot just shot all the way. SPX, it went super high. We got a buy right here. That was the one that I got in for the 5 minutes, and it's way up here now. Sometimes I change the 5 minutes when I'm trading in these crucial times on opening bail. Let's see if we can get US 30 to kind of go back down a little further so we can get in. Gold is good to buy. Gold's been going straight up. Gold is good to buy. I want to get in a little lower than where it's at. Very conservative on Tuesday in the morning. Just, trying to get your bearings set in. The other days you're trading, but this is the real market. Remember on Tuesday. So You should be fired up around 1 o'clock. You should be trading really good. Nah, it's moving. It's almost like that's the one that we should be trading is the Nas. It's moving better than everything else. Here we go. US 30's almost. I mean, it might be good even to get into US 30 right here where it's at. That's not that major of a difference. And it's calling the buy for you. Want to go ahead and grab that. Buy that US 30. And I don't want to buy it right now because you see it's just pulling down. I'm waiting for it to start going back the other way before I take this trade. So I got time to set this thing up because it keeps on going down, which means I'm getting in a better trade. I even want to kind of reevaluate because it just crushed down. This is the lowest it should be going, like this area right here. This looks like a good area if it starts pulling back up. Started with the 740 loss. So I got in down here. Let's see what happens here. Let's get this magnificent pull back, pull back, pull back. Go back up. Let's go. Let's go. I almost wanted to get out at that 4,000. It just looked like it was going to go a little higher than that. It dipped all the way back down. See where we're at. Remember, even though we did get in at this purple line, it's like somewhere we got in, like they placed us like up here higher than what it looks like what we put in because we were down money. So there's like a spread that's higher than that, I want you guys to understand that spread. So it looks like we should have got out with that 4,000. Or one of these little scalping days. Oh, the trade is falling. Let's see the US 30. Let's look. McDonald's. People aren't buying their breakfast meals today. That's the only thing that looks bad. Everything else looks good. Let's look on the 24 hours. Yeah, same thing. Nothing looks bad. Pretty amazing. SPX. SPX fell back down. Gold is still going up. I kind of want to get into it went straight up. It's way down. It's definitely moving down. Let's see what we got here. 3,000. We should definitely took that 4,000. When it goes back up to like a 4,000, I'm out. No need to try to get too much out of this trade right here. This thing looks like it might be trying to move down more than it's trying to move up. Do I want to just break even on this trade? No, because I still feel like it's way under the Bollinger Band. So I feel like there's some money to be made right here. I just don't know if it's going to be way up here. You know, I should stay in and really try to capitalize off this. But I know there's some money in this, you know. And I think it might be around the 2,000 mark. We want it to go up just a little bit. So what am I looking at right now? I'm looking at this right here. I'm trying to get this to 2,000, and then I'm going to get out of this trade. I'm not really so fired up about this trade going up so much. It just looks like it's kind of like doing its own thing for me. It's over 2,000 right now. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn what is that? Where is that at? 275. 7. So 754. 42754. That's like I should just got out of that 2,000 like I just said, but being hard hit, it's okay. Once it goes up to 754, then I'm gonna hit this modify. If it does, like why? Why are you doing this? Go up a little higher, go up a little higher, go up a little higher, go up a little higher. Just a little bit more. This is basically the area where we took a trade. We can see it starting to like, ooh, starting. Man, it should be able to reach up here though. At least, like, why is it stalling out down here? There's no reason for you to stall out down there. But you see, sometimes you're gonna be in a trade too long. I should have got the 4,000. I should have got this 2,000. But if you keep your mind set on you shoulda, coulda, woulda, heada, all that stuff is not gonna go good for you. I like this buy right here for the gold. I love gold for the buy. Go. Look, it's right here. Okay. I put my stop loss so I'm gonna make at least $2,000. But it kept on going up, so now I'm gonna close out higher. That was funny. I made 4,000 off that trade. Okay, goodness. Euro JPY, should we get out of this trade? Yeah, let's just get out of this trade. It's going good. Let's get out of wow, it was at $15. All right. What do we have today? Let's just see. All right. Today, let's just say today is the day. All right. How many trades did we take? This is a buy. This thing moved so fast, we lost this trade. I didn't even notice that. That's crazy. All right, so we won 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 out of 5. We won, and we're nowhere near. So we're at $5,000 today. We're nowhere near our goal. I kind of like this gold to go up. I kind of love gold. It was at a good spot where it was way down there. Here's US 30 still doing this thing. If it goes back down, I think I'm going to get in US 30 again. I like how the NAS is moving straight up and the SPX is moving straight up, but the US 30 is kind of moving down. So I'm going to get in the US 30 again right here. Let's see. Where is it at? All right, it fell back down, you guys. So we got our money, and as soon as we got our money, it fell back down. So that was cool. We were the cool kid at school today. Why aren't we going for US 30 to go down? Because we've been taking it up. And why else? It's because the NAS is going up. SPX is way up. There goes the bottom where US 30 was going. So this looks like a good spot, the bottom of the support. Let me see something here. Microsoft is the biggest company in the world right now. It's a little bit down, but this Apple has made up for that. McDonald's is the only thing I can see. I don't know why Google is not on. That might be the thing. This Google and Tesla is probably pulling the US or the 100 up. That might be what's going on here. That might be exactly what is making all this kind of move like that. Here goes another one over 2,000. Let's just keep on. I mean, today's a weird day. Let's just keep on playing that game. Where is it? 42740. 42740. 42740. 740. Let's modify that right there. At least we're gonna make 2,000 off of this deal right here. We want it to go up higher though. I think I'm gonna close out around 4,000 if I can. If it goes back down, then I at least got 2,000. So it should have closed out. So it did. All right. Looks like this is a good area to get in at. Down this little area right here for US 30. Gold, we should already been back in it. Every time it hits the EMA on gold, this is what I see. Every time it hits the EMA, it goes up. Every time this orange line is the EMA. Every time it hits the EMA, it's going up. So that's a great trade. And the bot should be calling that. Oh, this is the 5 minutes. That's why. So let's see. Is the bot calling anything on gold? It did call this one out, but that was a while ago. All right. If US 30 goes back down, wow, the NAS is super low. This looks like a good buy. We don't really want to buy anything in the middle of this moving average because that's when it's like going to turn to one. But it looks like a really good area to buy NAS right now. It's almost scary to buy the US 30 again because now everything is selling at the same time. Doesn't look like that good of a trade anymore. Let's see what we got going on here. I don't even know how much we made on the last trade. Oh, we made 980. And that's how fast it moved. Like I put the stop loss to where we would make 2,000 and it moved so fast that it didn't even get the 2,000. So it closed out further than where the stop loss was. And that's what could happen when the market's moving like really a quick burst. You're not going to get it where you wanted to get it. It's weird how that works. So, like if you have a stop loss like that, it's going to go past your stop loss sometimes and get you less because it's trying to catch the stop, but it catches the wins faster. So sometimes if it goes up and you got like or down and you got to take profit, sometimes you do make extra money than what you had your take profit at because it moves so fast, but it usually catches better on the take profit than the stop loss. Is that bad thing? Not really. I just feel like it is what it is on that point. This might be it. Actually, this is a win, I think. Buy. Sometimes it just miscalculates because of this part right here. Let me see. No, it was a little bit of a loss. I see it. All right, let's see. What do we want to get right here? SPX, NAS, US 30. US 30 looks like it's going up. See, that was a good area to buy down here. It was like really good to buy down here. You know, it's just boosting up now. If we would have stayed in, we would probably be at like 9, 10,000 right now. But we got out. Let's see what else. SPX is going up to the moon. All right, here we go. This is gold. Gold's going down to where we want to buy it in the beginning. Let's see, is it still a good buy though? Yeah, gold looks like a good buy. It looks like it's just right now, it looks like gold is in a situation to where it's breathing. This is where we want to get it at right here. Let's see, gold. We don't want to buy gold when it's steadily pushing down like this. We want to wait for it to start turning back up, and then we want to get it. You don't want to get it where it's in the motions of just going down. It looks like it's kind of stopped right here. See how, like this little area right here. I'm not even ready to get in this trade yet. It might still go down a little lower, but this is where we have marked for the trade. Is back to that little area. And let's see, it's dumping down on the 5 minutes. And the hour is so it's pushing up on the 4 hours. So that hour is just way overbought. Everything says it's pushing down. Yeah, see, we did not want to get in yet. It's still pushing down. It has a lot of momentum. There's like a big support right here in this area right here. That's why we didn't get in yet. If we start seeing a drastic pullback right here, this might be the area we want to get in, like right here. If it starts pulling, yeah, it's pulling back. Let's see. If it goes back down under here, like I see it's not a good area to buy yet. It's definitely not good to buy that right now. Oh, we got a buy signal on the bot. Forget it. I'm buying. I don't need to think. The bot just told me to buy at the 15 minutes. I bought. And a bot is working off the EMA bounce. It's at 100% uptrend, super uptrend right here. It's been indicated. It hit this EMA. It's in a good position to buy right here. Let's see what happens. Purple line that we want to buy is up here. But let's make another purple line down here. About right about there. That thing came screaming down. Let's look at the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, you see where it like got stuck right here for the last 3 minutes. Outside the Bollinger Bands on the 1. Let's get this thing to fire back up for us. The Euro USD is 100. Here it is, firing up. I can't even close the position. I'm going to take that 4,500 right there because the bot told me to do it. The bot told us to grab that. Did anybody grab that goal with me? I hope you guys are trading with me. Like, it's fun to watch me though, like a video game, but it's better like to play with me on the video game. It seems like it to me. I don't know. Let's see. Where are we at the good old days? I just wanted to win this trade. It's up, so I won it. All right, let's see here. Boom. That was the first trade we take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We took 8 trades. We lost 1. We're up $10,000. Does anybody want to keep trading? Took 8 trades. We lost 1. Does anybody want to keep trading? Are we done here? Well, I got a reactive group. Maybe 1 second. I might not be able to hear you guys. I don't know. I think nobody said anything. I think we're good to go. This gold trade was nice. When they called that for us, that was our biggest trade of the day. The bot called for us. I'm over here trying to really dig deep. Dig deep to get these wins going for us. Yeah, see the gold went back down. So I'm glad we got in when the bot told us and we got out. Let's see here. All right. I think that's good for the day. Took 8 trades. We lost 1. We're up 10,700. 10,700. 10,700. And that's not hitting our mark. Look, we only got like 5% today. So 5%, 4.85%. Oh, somebody chatted. Going to be looking out for gold throughout the day. Yeah, Apollo. Yeah, look for gold throughout the day. The US 30 and the the SPX is wonky right now. It's just doing weird stuff. 5%, 4%, 6%. So we're staying in here around the 4, 5, and 6% days. 3 of them in a row, which is good. And our account should be 2,331, 231,000. Boom. So 10,700 today and a couple an hour of trading. Is not, I don't know. It's not, doesn't look bad to me. So we took 8 trades. We lost 1, and it was like the one that we lost. It was like we were up money, and then it just fell really quick. I tried to get 2,000, and fell really quick, and we lost $440. So we really actually you know, won 8 trades, but one of them came in as a loss. So, and it's okay. 8-1 is not bad at all. Not bad at all. I kind of want to take another trade. Here goes another good gold back down to where it said it was a good trade in the first place. It's back down there. I don't even like it the second time around. Let's see. Let me tell you guys what else is good. Like I like Nas 100, US 30. Oof. Oh, they're too wonky. Apple's going up. Let's see. Euro USD, mirror, we got into that trade. That was looking good. Let's see. Euro JPY. We got in this trade and made some money. We got in on this at 6:30. It said going up. We got in some money on that trade. That was a good one. So we got 2 bot trades, and the other trades were just me looking at the market and taking trades. So hopefully everybody took what I took. There's no way you should have lost because there was 8 trades took and we only lost 1 by just my reaction time, not pushing the button fast enough to get out in profit where it was at when I got out of the trade. But okay, everybody. We got about 4.85% today, which is a good day. What are we? Our best day that we won is an 8% day, but a 5% day is beautiful. 4% day is beautiful. 3% day is beautiful. The only thing that's not beautiful is a negative day. That's when we got to recalibrate, get our mind straight for the next day. Stop trading if we lose 5 to 8% a day. No, we're up on the game right now. If we look at this Millionaire Marathon, everybody should be looking at their own. But like, we're up 10 plus 5 because this little 10. Yeah, so we're at 15%. So even if we take an 8% day, it's not even gonna hurt us because it's not gonna pull us down under what we started with because we're already up 15%. So I don't mind taking an 8% or a 5% day right now because I'm uppy, uppy. So it's all good. It's all good. Hopefully everybody's in the Millionaire Marathon. Hopefully everybody has put some money into some sort of account and trading. That's the great thing. I'm on my. It's so funny because I couldn't go to sleep last. Let me tell you what I did last night. So I couldn't go to sleep last night. Sometimes that happens to me. And I took this trade. Where is it at? Was it this? No, it was like 3 something. It's like a 3 o'clock trade, like down here or something. And then I got out this morning way up here. What was it? A half an hour trade? I took it and I felt so good last night. It's like sometimes when you can't fall asleep and you just say, well, let me see what's going on with trading. And then when you trade, when you can't fall asleep, then you really can't fall asleep. Because you're like looking at that trade, you're like, yeah, man, I'm doing it. Let's see. I think it was at like 3 or something. Let's see. 3. Where was it at? Oh, maybe it wasn't at 3. Maybe it was like 1 or something. I don't even see it. US 30's been going down, 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 down. Oh, this is probably the one I took right here. I thought it
Are
was
you in
super
any trades
late.
now?
Huh?
Are you in any trades now? Right now?
No, I got out of everything. Are you in any?
No, I almost went back into gold. I'm just waiting for you to say go for it.
Yeah, I like that last gold trade that it had for us. It said to buy. Now it even went down even further. It was good to buy like right when the candle hit because I knew it was gonna probably breathe and go back up because it went so fast down. But now it looks like it's like reversed. Like right here looked good because it's like it started going up, but like right here, it went up, then it kind of went back down, then it went up. So that's what I thought was gonna happen. I thought it was gonna go down really quick and then back up, but not to where it would change, just keep on going up. It was more of like it was going like what it did right here, like it breathed, went up, right? But now this trade looks like it's actually going down because even this, like this should have been a green candle. This might end up in 36 seconds. This might end up being a red candle right here. So it's like now it looks like 4 candles in a row. Even though we got our money going up right here when it bounced, it's not a good trade anymore because we were trading going up. Now, if you want to be a two-way trader, you might want to get in like right here for a sale, but it's too unpredictable. And the more probability is this is gonna go down. It's like dumping down on the, let's see, let me go to the 15. Yeah, everything is trying to turn around like it was going up. The momentum's trying to turn down now everywhere that we look. So if I was a two-way trader, I would love this trade. I would get in. Look at the hour. It's way up here. But all the technical indicators are saying it's going to go up. But so this might just be like it breathing at a bigger time, like a 1 hour, you see like it's straight up. This is the red candle is going down. And it's not even a red candle yet because it's 44 minutes left on this candle. So for 15 minutes, this candle's been going down, but this could actually end up being a green candle. I mean, it's just firing up. On the hour, gold told us to go up. It's kind of like unpredictable. Is it changing on the higher time frame and coming back down? On the lower time frame, it definitely looks like it's kind of trying to reverse on us on like the 5 minutes. You see how, straight up. Now it's going straight. Here goes a buy from the 5 minutes. So yeah, I would take that buy because the bot just told us to buy, and I'll take it. I'll take it because I'm not worried about losing a little bit because I'm up. Let me take it because and this will be a short trade because um we're not gonna be on this trade for that long because it just told us, or that was a 5 minute trade.
Okay, so that's
Yeah. So
the
this is
buy.
5. Yeah. I always have to put my just in case this thing goes ballistic and just tries to wipe us out. We always got to put our stop loss and take profit in. That was 400. Let's go back and look. Let's see what we got here.
Hey, Lonnie, how do you find those meters, those oscillator meters, those round things on TradingView?
The
Isn't that where
round.
they're at?
1 second.
She's asking about
So which one?
the technicals. The technicals for gold.
Oh, right here. You see it?
Oh, okay. Is that only for gold? That's not for anything else?
No, Bitcoin does it. There's other ones that do it. US 30 calculates different the seasons. Stocks do seasonal stuff, but you could also look at technicals on like the individual stocks. It's just not the same with the the indices. But like crypto
Oh,
has
okay.
it, everything almost has it, except for like Forex has it. It's just the indices don't have all that. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Hey, I
Yeah.
had another question.
Uh-huh.
I notice sometimes that the prices are different. It could be a $10 difference between TradingView and Liquid Charts
Uh-huh.
when you're trying to get in a trade, and I'm like, what? The price isn't even matching. Have you experienced that?
Yeah, because what's happening is trading view, and you want to set your trading view to the, let's go and let's just look through this. So US 30, right? This is an indicator of capital.com. So
Oh,
this is like closest to the market. Now we can pick a different US 30. So we can put in US 30 and let me show you all of the ones that we have. So we could do Black Bull, which is the top one right now. This is the most current, closest. Most people use this to trade. This is the second one. This is the third one. This is a good one too. But if we get like way down here, it'll definitely be like different. Now, which one does our company use? Uh, Liquid Brokers isn't gonna be on here, but like let's say we do trading markets or something, it might have that option for us. Let's see. That's not trading markets. So, it's hard to explain this because it does matter. Here it is right here. So this one right here. Let's say we're trading on that prop firm. Okay, if you're trading on the prop firm, you want to take this right here. Because then it's the exact thing. Like think markets, and then you're trading think markets on your account. So that would mean that it would be exactly whatever the trading view says, it will say the same thing on your account.
okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think it was on the US 30 that I was writing my example down, and I do have Black Bull on my US 30.
Yeah, that's the best one. So another thing, like Liquid Brokers and Black Bull, right? There's gonna be usually the same amount every time.
Well,
So if it's
last night it was $18 off
yeah,
around.
18, then sometimes it'll be around 10. But well, what you'll see is that it'll stay at like $18 off. So if we get the trade and it's $18 off, then when it goes up, it'll still be $18 off. Or if it goes down, so you're really
Oh,
at the
okay.
yeah, you're
Okay.
really at the same thing. You're just trading on your broker at a different number, but it's still everything's the same market.
Okay.
Now because our broker is real. Now let me tell you, if you get like just any broker out the blue, that's concerning because sometimes like a fake broker, the trade will be going up, but the trade in actual real life will be going down. That's the problem. Like if you ever see something like that to where, you got a red candle like this, but on your broker, you got a green candle where you're trading at compared to trading view, then that's the problem. But what it is doing is just it has a space in between, and some of those are set up because of the spread. Because if we got into capital.com, there's a spread sometimes that will make it, you'll get in, like you'll see it on your trade. It will tell you two different numbers. And so one would be if you sold it, one would be if you bought it, because we're not buying it at the exact market and we're not selling at the exact market. It's like there's a little spread to where every time I took a trade, you see I was losing a little bit.
Okay.
So it shouldn't affect your trade. That's what I was trying to say. Gail, good job on telling me to trade one more time. I just needed somebody to say something. So we won another 1600 right here. And We're up even more for today, which is beautiful. So 12,306. Let's see what we got now going on. 12,360. 12,360. 360. So now we're up 5.6%, which is better than 4.8%. So, and we took one more trade. So we won 8 trades out of 9. We took 9 trades. We just lost 1. So that looks good. It's almost better than our day before. Really close, but no cigars. So that's great, man. We're doing really good with this Millionaire Marathon. And I want everybody to start building up their accounts and just show us. You know, it doesn't have to be a big account or anything. If you're at $500, you know, if you took every trade we took, then you're up, you know, what would that be? About 16%? Yeah. 15.7% on what we took here. Man, we're learning and we're asking questions and we're getting the swing of things. So we stayed on 724. We got a lot of good trading in, a lot of scalping, and a lot of a couple bot trades too. So it's good. I always trust the bot. When I see that bot trade on the 5 minutes, I said, well, let's get in. But sometimes it's going to be a real short trade because you're trading on the opening bell. Now, if we traded later on in the day when the opening bell's not in effect, then I would be in that 5-minute trade for like 5 to 15 minutes. But since it's the beginning of the day like this, stuff is moving so fast, we might be in a trade for 1 to 2 minutes. I'm just looking for my number that I want to get. I'm not looking to get 5 to 8% on each trade. That's not what we're doing. What we're doing is we're taking our profits and we know that it's going to win over 80 to 90% of the time, depending on what bot we're trading on. And when it goes into good profit, we're out. We don't have to wait for the whole 5%, the whole 8% to lose or to win. We can get out of trades. You know, if you keep on seeing your trade is in negative and it goes back to like breaks even, then just get out with the little break even or a little bit of loss, because you were down $800 and now it goes back to where you're only down $100. It's like, man, I'd rather be down $100 because it might keep on going down and be even a bigger loss than 800. This is the stuff that I'm really showing you with the Millionaire Marathon. It's how to get in and out of trades and have high numbers of wins. If we just set it and forget it sometimes, it's still going to work out over time. But, you know, when we're trading live and you're seeing, you know, the thing that's good about the opening bell is like how the trade is going to move in like 3 hours or 2 hours in a regular daytime, right? But it's doing all that in like, you know, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes when the opening bell. That's how fast it's moving compared to like in a regular time of day. If we're trading at like 7 at night, 8 at night, 9 at night, that same movement is going to take an hour to 2 for it to move how fast it moves in like 2 to 5 minutes in the morning. So it's like we're taking accelerated master classes in college or something. All right, you guys, God bless. Love everybody. I know everybody won, so I'm not even going to say hopefully everybody won, but we're up almost 16% on our Millionaire Marathon, and we're going to keep on pushing and pushing and pushing. And I want you guys to keep on pushing and get your accounts going too. I also have another account that I'm trading that I took a trade last night and it won real big in the morning. So, you know, that was a trade that took probably like 7, 8 hours or something whenever I got in. I thought it was at like 2 or 3, but all right, God bless you guys. Have a great day. See you.
Me too.
Uh-huh.